Hi, I'm back. I know it's been a good little while since I posted a video, but I wanted to give you all a tour of my garage um, gym. So what you're looking at here is I'm painting my garage wall. I had a lot of patchwork to do because at one point I had hit the wall a few years back. So those are all the little holes and pits in a garage. So I'm getting that painted. I've painted half of it on this side. And here is an outlet that I had installed for the a TV I will be placing on the wall. So as soon as I get done painting, perhaps tomorrow, I will get that done. So I'll just kind of scan around so you all can see. It's a little junky right now. Here is my equipment, and I'll go into more detail when I get a little bit more work done. So there's a bike over there, spin bike. Here's a recumbent bike. And it is dark in here because I am doing it at night. Here is an elliptical. And a treadmill. And I have two bikes, so they were on this wall here, but I've moved them back over on that first wall we were at. On Friday, it's dark. I'm going to put lights across here because this half of my garage is very dark. There's no lights, and then there's a beam, as you can see right here. So that's what it looks from this side. So I'm just taking up one half of my garage for my workout my gym, because I will not be going back to any gyms anymore. So I just decided, hey, let's try to do our own equipment, see how that works out. So just a quick little tour. And I also have a heater over there because it's cold in the state where I live. And that seems to work out pretty well. Plus, my garage, all the walls are finished. So, yeah, just a quick tour. I'll try to make a couple more videos. I do want to make a disclaimer. I don't know how to edit. There's lots of things I don't know how to do with these videos, but when I get a little bit more time, I'm going to try to get all that improved. But for right now, at least I'm just doing an actual video. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.